By virtue of powers to me, as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, I have declared that the chartering and induction of City of Tarlac Apax Eagles Club, City of Tarlac Bamban Eagles Club, City of Tarlac Bataan Eagles Club, and the installation of Central Luzon Region 82 is now called to order.
Let our hearts
Kalakanyos at makarayan, nagbibigay sila ng asnak kaisipan.
Lahat ng mga naging naibahagi ko sa inyo, sana magamit natin hanggang ma-achieve natin ang rurok ng tagumpay para sa ating club, sa ating region. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila!
Agila, Pinoy na Agila, haligi ng ating bayan, nag-aalay ng kapatiran.
Members, all the visitors na pumunta po dito ngayon. Matagal na natin nanghintay. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Alam po natin na busy po ang bawat isa. Pero again, pinaunlakan po ninyo ang paanyaya ng aming region. At sana po, makasama po namin kayo sa pagsiservisyo sa ating The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippines. Maraming salamat.
Alay ng kapatiran, pagkakaisa, kapayapaan, maglikod sa kapwa, aming nahika, buhay handog upang maging malaya.
Kaya po tayo magkakaisa, magsasama-sama, hindi po tayo mabubuhat, tayo po ito ay lalakas. Together we will fight against corruption, together we will fight against hunger, together we will fight against people in despair. Together we'll fight as one, as City of Tarlac Region. Maraming salamat po mga kuya at ate. Buhay Manila!
Nag-aalay ng kapatiran, pagkakaisa, kapayapaan, maglikod sa kapwa, aming nahika, buhay handog upang maging malaya.
Good leader, marami siyang magagawa na kabutihan para sa inyong region. Kung ang walis tingting ay mag-isa lang, madaling balik. Pero kung nagkaisa tayo, whatever we want for the betterment of this country, makakatulong tayo. Ang sabi ko palagi, we will be part of the solution of the problem. Hindi tayo part ng problema. And congratulations to the new Chartered Club President, Chartered Club, and of course the new Institute Government. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. I hope and pray na lahat ng sinabi ko ay ilagay sa isip at sa puso at atin pong isagawa. And do you believe that God is with us tonight? Again, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang ating lahat.
for God and home.
Turn over to you this Goman Gable as a sign and symbol of your authority, leadership, responsibility to govern the Central Luzon Region 82, the City of Tarlac Region.
Soaring brave and bold, commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. And when the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all.
The induction of the new members, the chartering of Papas, City of Tarlac Papas Eagles Club, City of Tarlac Bamban Eagles Club, City of Tarlac Bataan Eagles Club, and installation of CLR A2 is now adjourned.
Thank you very much and congrats.